Hey guys, are you looking for a way to reach out to potential customers, potential clients? Well, I have a solution for you. You can send personalized emails to your customers, to your potential clients through WaveSend AI. Welcome to Software Safari. I'm Toby and I'm taking you through WaveSend AI and all that it has to offer. So, on the first page, we can see the details. You can see how it works, where you find leads, you generate emails, you reach out, and also you can avoid being put as a spam. So we log in. It's our email and password. Once you log in, you can see your campaigns. You can see analytics and reports, email lists, email templates, done for you email templates, done for you graphics, the marketing hub, your agency, integrations, jobs finder, accounts and settings, reseller, tutorials, and help and support. Let's take a look at our campaigns. As you can see, we've created 2 campaigns already. And here you can see we found 1,080 leads. We've contacted none of them, and we can also edit or delete those campaigns. Let's create a new campaign. Let's say the campaign name. And the from name matters because this name will be used in the email as they are sent on our behalf. So whatever name you put there is a name that your receivers will see. Enter your organization name. Your website, let's just use google.com, and the services you offer. Let's say product management. You can include more than one. Let's include front. Let's just put front end, and you can choose to find leads. Select the sector in which you want to find leads. Let's pick restaurant and select a location. Let's pick New York. New York. Then create campaign. Your campaign has been created. When your campaign is created, you have to wait for a while to be able to access the leads that have been created for you. You can access those leads in this amount of time, but let's take a look at one that has already been created. Here, the leads which have been created, the name is Launch Teamwork AI, and we can see all the leads that are here. You can see the emails, the company names, and so on. We'll go back to all our campaigns. You can choose to edit your leads, you can choose to delete them, and you can also choose to filter those leads. Let's take a look at analytics and reports. On analytics and reports, you can take a look at analytics of the leads that we've created. This is the only leads that we've created, and the amount of leads that we've created, 1,080. You can check the amount of leads that have been contacted, and we've contacted none. You can see the amount of people that it has delivered to, and amount of people that have opened our emails. So we can select what campaign we want to check. We can also check the sequence. Next, we can take a look at email lists. On email lists, we can take a look at the list that we've created and the contacts in that list. We've not added any here. But if you want, you can create an email list. Just include a list name, then click on create. Next, we take a look at email templates. Email templates are useful to prevent you from having to create new emails all the time. So you create email templates and use it for multiple emails. We've already created one, but if we want, you can create a new email template. include the template name, the template subject, and the template body. Then all we do is create. So take a look at one that has already been created. View. You can see what has been created. Or we can choose to edit, we can choose to duplicate, and we can choose to delete. We can check done for you email templates. This helps a lot, especially when you don't know exactly what you want to say or how you want to approach it. And you can take a look at the email name and the subject for you to know how to approach those specific emails that you may want to write. If you select one that you're interested in, you can either view it or you can add it by using it. Template that has been copied to your email template section. Go back to email templates. You can choose to edit. So let's change sender name to software Safari. Meaning every time an email is sent, software Safari will be used. And you can choose to add dynamic variables like your company name, company website, company location, contact, and these will be selected every time you wish to send an email. Okay, remember to update the template before moving on. Next, take a look at Done For You graphics. In Done For You graphics, this is helpful to include graphics in your emails. You can include from architecture and interior designs to customer support to fitness trainer, graphic designing, house vehicle rentals, as many as possible. Next, we have the Marketing Hub. On the Marketing Hub, you can take a look at multiple plugins and demos that you like and choose at your own will. Next, take a look at Agency. On Agency, you can create your agency and give access for other users to take a look at WaveSend AI. This is one we've already created, it's active. You can choose to edit, you can choose to delete. Next, take a look at integrations. On integrations, you can integrate other email providers to your WaveSend AI platform, from Gmail to Outlook to your SMTP emails to your autoresponders, CRM, and or Zapier. Next, you can use Job Finder to search for jobs on popular freelancing websites like Freelancer, Job Rule, People Per Hour. Let's take a search for writer. When we search, we receive multiple results, and you can choose to check more information or save that job listing. Then you can choose to change your account settings. You can choose to resell. You can choose to view the tutorials that have been created on WaveSend AI to help you know how to use WaveSend AI and how to make most advantage of WaveSend AI. And also you can contact help and support. As you can see, WaveSend AI is a very useful tool. It has a lot of tools to make your email marketing even simpler, even easier. The link to WaveSend AI is in the description of this video. See you in the next product review. Goodbye.